This tutorial demonstrates another law of indices. There are 8 or more laws or rules of indices. One of them will be discussed here. Consider a demonstration of this law where the base is raised to power 0. Whenever the base is raised to power 0, the result is 1. Provided there is no negative operator placed before the base. A negative sign before the base implies that the result needs to be multiplied by -1. I'll explain this situation after demonstrating the law shown on the board. What if we have 2 raised to power 0 being equal to 2 raised to power 2 minus 2? Let's work with this hypothetical scenario, which could be any set of values, but let's use small values for now. Let's employ a rule of indices that was explained in a previous video tutorial. The links to previous video tutorials will be provided in the video description. Applying the rule in a reverse manner, we will have 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power 2. If we ignore the index form temporarily and replace 2 raised to power 2 with 4, the result would be 4 divided by 4, which results to 1. This result is consistent regardless of the set of values used to replace 0, provided that they subtract out to give 0. What if a negative sign is placed before base 2? Interpreting the negative sign by using brackets and introducing 1 between the negative sign and the bracket. Then the contents of the bracket need to be multiplied by -1. Hence, the result would be -1. It is a good practice to use brackets as often as possible when solving laws of indices exercises involving negative powers. Check out other videos on this channel demonstrating other laws of indices to get a full grasp of the concept. I would love to hear your thoughts on this math exercise and other exercises that I could solve. Please like, comment and share this video for reach.